friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techker. In this video, I'll be doing the Free Fire charging test in the Poco X3 device. So I'm decided to do the charging test in the Poco X3 while playing the Free Fire game at same time. So recently I did the same kind of video while playing the PUBG game and charging at same time, but most of the users they did ask me to do the same kind of thing with the Free Fire game as well. So let's see in the Poco X3 whether the phone will be able to charge faster while playing the games at same time or not. So most of the users are nowadays, because of the ban of the PUBG, they were unable to play, and they did ask me to choose this kind of game, Free Fire game. And if there is any other game, if you like me to do testing on this Poco X3, so do let me know in the comments below. As you can see, first thing I'm using with the 60Hz display, and next if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using and what is the equalizer going on in the bottom navigation bar, so do check the links in description for the playlist of the Poco X3 smartphone. So there you can find plenty of videos which are related to the wallpaper and navigation bar equalizer as well. Only specifically I did on the Poco X3 phone only, so I was to customize like this. And let's get started with the first. Let me show you the battery percent, how much it is. So I'm starting the test with the 5% of the battery and with 50% of the brightness. I did not turn on any auto brightness as well, and earphones connected. So let me plug the charger. So it is a charger which is of a 33 watts charger. So right now I'll be using the default charger only. So let's see, friends. And during this charging time, I'll try to do the temperature check as well. So right now let me start the stopwatch. As you can see, the stopwatch has been begun and the charger has been connected. So I'll be using with the 50% brightness only. Let me disable this equalizer application. As you can see, friends, 50% brightness and earphones connected and the charger also connected and the stopwatch also started. And the temperature, let's check how much it is. Again, I'll be back after 30 minutes of charging the phone. Let's see in the 30 minutes how much the phone can actually charge while playing the Free Fire game at same time. So overall, it's 30 degrees. So I'll try to play the game continuously without even spectating at all. So I'll see as a real world usage. I'll try to use this phone while playing this Free Fire game. So let's see, friends, whether this phone will be able to charge faster or not. So previously I did try to use this kind of brightness where 100% brightness, but if you use the 100% brightness, the battery won't charge faster in the Poco X3 device. So that's why I decided to do with the 50% brightness only. And if you are playing the Free Fire game and if you are unable to play in the full screen mode in the Poco X3, so try to check that another video which I uploaded, how to enable the full screen as well in the Poco X3 smartphone. So make sure to follow the playlist every day continuously to get to know more and more hidden features which is present in the Poco X3 device. So there are so many hidden features which is available in this phone. So again, I'll be back exactly after 30 minutes of playing this game continuously. So this is just a charging test. I won't be able to talk. I won't talk about gameplay and anything. That will be for another video. So in this video, we'll be just focusing only on charging speed while gaming at same time. So as you can see, friends, it's been close to 30 minutes and now exactly 30 minutes. Let me try to check how much is the battery percentage got charged in this phone. Let me try to go to the settings and go to the battery. And after 30 minutes of charging, as you can see, 27% it got charged. So this with the 50% brightness only I'm trying to play. So not with the full 100% brightness, 50% brightness only, and with the Wi-Fi connection, not with the 4G as well. So let me show you the temperatures. So this is not the good thing to do charging and playing at same time. So once in a while it's okay, but not like every day you will be doing. So 41 degrees it got highest, it got reached 41 degrees. So again, I'll be continuing this Free Fire game for more time. So let's see in 1 hour how much the phone can actually charge. Friends, after 1 hour of continuously playing this Free Fire game, and let me try to show you the battery percent, how much it is at this minute. As you can see, after 1 hour, the battery charged to the 40%, as you can clearly see, and the phone started to heat as well on the back side. So I can notice 41 degrees as well, it got reached 41.3. So the complete phone got very heat, and the charging is very slow when you do the gaming, this kind of thing. So doesn't matter PUBG or a Free Fire or Call of Duty, definitely the phone doesn't charge fast if you are playing any games in the Poco X3 device. This can be some kind of disadvantage for a few users, but whereas in the other phones like in the Realme X2 Pro and maybe the Realme 7 Pro as well, they will charge very fast even when you're playing this kind of gaming as well. And that's it for this video, friends. I'm not going to continue this kind of test again because it takes a lot of time in doing this video, because I'm not sure how many hours this is gonna take, because normally only if you charge from 90 to 100 it takes 15 to 20 minutes. If you're playing the game and if you're charging at same time, it takes, I think, close to 1 hour. So right now I decided to do other videos on the Poco X3 device, where so many of the users, they are asking questions. I need to make each and every video for based on the request which I got for the Poco X3 device. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me regularly for more updates on the Poco X3 device. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.